Oh.
Right. I mean, I'm not gonna say I told you so, but
Okay.
it's like an inch bigger, the mattress. I think that's fine.
Yeah.
Sounds enough. No. You know what would be good? Like a mesh. So it's at like a tick and a half less than 6 feet.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
I mean, I'm not gonna say I told you so, but
Okay.
it's like an inch bigger, the mattress. I think that's fine.
Yeah. Okay, so honestly, I don't think it's a. I was gonna say it's not a bad idea if we put on the outside, like a little bit on the outside, because I was going to have like a board here to keep the mattress from moving. The mattress should vary.
We literally just took out the mattress. It's fine.
I'm gonna put this back inside. Can you? And then I guess we'll just drill this way.
Yeah.
Yeah. Better way?
No, not right now. At this point in time, we're doing it the best way.
Okay, so then it's sideways.
Wow!
Thank you so much! No, but honestly, you know, it's the little things, you know? Wow, that seems really solid. What Bad news, we made a whole entire bed frame with legs, and then it doesn't fit in the van because it's 6'3" and not 6'1", so I will be taking this back apart and then re-drilling it so that it's slightly shorter. Fun! So what I've been doing is I pre-drilled all these holes, but first I pre-drilled and then I put a screw in, and then I pre-drilled the one next to it, and then did that all around. Then I test fitted. Grab a screw, grab my drill. That guy. So then I realigned this one so it's actually kind of more aligned. And let's look at what the measurement is. And great, it's just under 6 foot. That works. So this guy doesn't fit because it's exactly 6 feet across, but I didn't account for the bump outs. As you can see, it goes slightly out right there. So I'm going to bring these guys in a little bit more and it should be fine then. And I might have to shave down this middle in a bit.
Go lower. Higher. Right there is perfect.
Okay. Snap it. Wow. So I found an old futon from Facebook Marketplace that no longer worked, and I was taking the bed slats from that once again, I've not done it properly, and I was going to then screw this onto here, but I can't get to the further screws because the wood is blocking it. So that means I get to unscrew all of these I put in, make sure that it doesn't block this later circle for when I mount it to the frame of the van, and yeah, this will be fun. At least I'm getting smarter. I'm going to trace this so that I know where to place this, and then just place it forward of that. So here we go. Oh, wrong way. There you go. Should do it. Oh good, this will be fast. So I got them all unscrewed, so this will be a pretty holy piece of wood. Haha, get it? But I'm going to just shift it upwards, following the lines I made here, and then making sure that the hole on this side, oops, on this side right here doesn't get covered when I do that. So it can only go, the wood can only be until here. So I can only go like that. Always measure. So originally I had this going back further, and now this sticks out so much I don't know if the door will close. Okay, just spent like 30 minutes getting the latch even in the right place. Originally I was going to do it here, and then I moved it to here, and then it was too far, so I moved it here, and then I thought it was going to fit, but I had to just turn the eyelet. Now it fits very snugly. I could do one on the side, but we'll just slip it out this. So now I can pull it out, and it can be a desk, like table thing, some place to put stuff if I want to be outside. Or I could alternatively just sit on it like a patio. Or if I'm sitting on the bed, I'll put my legs on it like a step. And then ultimately I would like to paint or wood burn on top of it so it's prettier, and then seal it with resin. So the next day it was super rainy, and I found out I had a leak in the ceiling of the van, so I took down the ceiling and I sealed it up once it had a few days later to dry out. And I'm using, I think it's called like wet seal or something. I'll put in the description of what I used. Wait, but isn't these bubbles really satisfying? Still held on with tape and one rope. So I had to drill a hole in here because either my screws are too loose, as you can see here, and does not actually screw in, or I have them way too big. But now it should fit, except now this thing is popped up with, oh shit, there you go.